Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to reset fund password on Gate.io. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, you need to log into your Gate.io, and once you're logged into your account, you need to click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on it, you'll be directed to your profile, and on that page you need to scroll down. Right in between, you'll have an option as fund password. So in order to change it, you need to click on the option that is change in the right hand side corner. As you click on the option, you'll be directed to the page where you'll get to create a new password. First of all, you need to provide your old password, and after that you need to set a password, and for the confirmation, once again you need to retype it. So once again, for the confirmation or the verification, the code or the OTP will be sent through an email that is associated with your Gate.io. If you're unable to receive the verification or the OTP, then click on resend, and once again you'll be able to receive your verification code. As you're done pasting in the verification code, tap on confirm and modify, which is right at the bottom. If the information provided are correct or valid, then you reset your fund password on your Gate.io. So that is how you can reset fund password on your Gate.io. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.